Hi, I'm Sharon Goschel, Director of Art Splash Studio Tour of Ocean Shores.
And I'm Tom Baker. I'm a wood turner. This is my first year to do the Art Splash Studio Tour, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
We would like to invite you to the event, which takes place on August the 13th and 14th, Saturday and Sunday, from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. The artists involved are 20, and there are 10 studio sites. There are a variety of art, which consists of photography, collage, art, wood turning, glass fusion, oils, watercolor. The artists have spent months preparing for the tour, and this is your opportunity that you can come into their studios and see them working. You can see how they create their art. There will be demonstrations and artists in action.
So, how's it been so far? Have you been amazed by the crowds?
Oh, yes. It's been overwhelming with the amount of people that are familiar with my work and my name. So, it's been great connecting with people. I already sold out of books, and I almost sold out of all of my prints already. So, but the best part is connecting with people and being one with my community. So, thank you so much for coming out and supporting me.
Is this the first year you've done Art Splash?
Yes. However, I hold my own open studio tours once a year, regardless of Art Splash. So if I wasn't here, I would still be open because I love connecting with my community.
Is it a little bit of what kind of satisfaction do you get by doing that? I mean, do you get the one-on-one connection?
Yeah, it's the one-on-one connection, and it's also, I think that we all have a common theme, a common line that runs through all of our lives, which is struggle, and it's this need to be heard and to be listened to and to be understood. So my art draws all of us together because there's that theme in each piece, which is pain and suffering, and that can be beautiful if we just put it out there and talk about it, and we all come together. Because if you talk about your demons, they no longer have control over you.
Well,
So
it was
that's
amazing for me to see some of when I was just coming in, there was a group of women with a little daughter who had been in here, and then to see the age ranges is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
For Ocean Shores.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, a woman that works at the Interpretive Center was telling me how this group of school children came in, and this little boy chose my piece as his favorite because it looked like the woman was being melded with the tree. So he was like 10 years old.
That's amazing.
Exactly. That's what I'm like trying not to cry, because reaching people is great. It's amazing, but reaching a child that can articulate that and can choose my piece over all of the others is really inspiring to me, because it's all about reaching the one person, regardless of age.
When I opened the gallery, I thought, oh, maybe I won't do Art Splash anymore. And then there were a few people that I talked to that said they really weren't that interested in the gallery, but they loved going to the studio, to the home studio. So I thought, I'm doing Art Splash. So it's been nonstop all day.
Have you been surprised by how big the crowds have been?
I told Phyllis before the day started, I said it's going to be a big day because You know, Art Splash has always been really good, but now we've added Jade Black, Skip Radcliffe, Tom Baker, and Karen Fox. And those are 4 great additions to our already wonderful Art Splash.
To obtain a brochure, which includes a map of all the sites, go to www.artsplashtour.org. The brochure will have pictures of the art, map of the sites, and other information. If you have further questions on the event, you can contact me at 360-591-5940. Hope to see you there.
And I will be demonstrating during the Art Splash Studio Tour. I'll adjust the speed of the lathe here. Now that we have it round, we'll start developing the shape for our bowl. So once we're developing the basic shape of the bowl, we'll finish that. I will create a tenon on the back of the bowl so that I can turn it around and mount it into this chuck so that I can hollow the front side of it. Once we're done with that, we'll be sanding the bowl and applying the final finish. Now I sand all the way to 3000 grit, so it's very smooth. And then I apply a museum quality wax to it that is food safe and that people can handle without leaving any fingerprints. And it turns into one of the beautiful pieces that you've seen already.